guys, it's Haleycreates, and today I'm doing 3 makeup inspired back to school DIYs, and I'm gonna make 3 adorable notebooks that you guys would love to have at school, I hope, because I have always like looked for makeup DIYs like for school, and I didn't really see that many, so I don't know, I'm really excited to do this, and I hope you guys really like it. I have spent so much time on this. It's literally been like 3 days, and the stuff that I've gone through with Apple, rip. So that's all I can say. It's so hot, by the way, and I have the worst cramps. And kids are being annoying. Everything's annoying right now because I have cramps. So yeah, I'm sweating like a pig, and I just did the worst makeup job I have ever done. So I hope you guys like it. Anyways, I am going to get into the video, but I hope you guys really like this. I shot this over the course of a few days, like I just said, so some of the lighting kind of changed, and also I just want to say that I realized halfway through this project that hot glue was not going to work for the glitter paper. Well, you guys will see that later. I don't want to like give it away. But basically halfway through I changed to a different type of glue. So you guys might notice that some of the utensils or the tools that I use kind of change. And I think I'll edit in like instead of whatever, you'll see. So yeah, I just want to say that ahead of time. And yeah, there's not really much else to say except for I hope you guys love it. I put in a heck of amount of work with this, and I really hope I get it out in time for you guys to have enough time to do these. And I'll be doing some clothing hauls, DIY sock heater thing that if I post that first, then you guys might see that first. I don't know. This thing is so dusty. I forgot. Sorry my room's a mess behind me too. I'm just a mess today, but I really wanted to do this for you guys, so I'm shooting this intro so that I can edit it tonight, get it done, get it out, get you guys all creative and cute. And yeah, let's get into the video. Bye guys. So for the first book, we are going to make this Kylie Jenner inspired, kind of lip kit more inspired Kylie Cosmetics notebook, which is adorable and has so many pink things in it. So we are going to need 3 composition books. I can't say that word. And of course you're going to need the paper for the background, so go to Michael's and get some cute paper. For this one I used the pink paper. Anastasia is going to be rose gold, and I got a few extra pieces of granite and stuff just for the heck of it, and KKW of course is going to be tan. So for the other supplies that you probably already have at home, you're going to be using some scissors of course to cut it out, or an X-Acto knife, and you're going to need to have a pencil, which I hope you do. If not, I'll get you one because I love you. Just kidding. Anyways, you're gonna need a pencil, of course, and you're gonna need some glue, which I don't know why I put a glue stick because glue sticks are trash, but basically you're gonna need some sort of like liquid glue, maybe like super glue or like craft glue. So now, once you have all of your supplies ready, go on Google and look up your favorite logos. For me, for the Kylie Jenner book, I did the Kylie lips, and I did her little name like Kylie in that little like monster writing, and I did her signature, and yeah, I just looked up like really cute things that had to do with her, and in this one I'm showing Anastasia, but it's basically the same formula for everything. So basically you're just going to go into a PicMonkey doc, so you're going to say design, and then it'll say choose your canvas size, and I just like put whatever it says because I like to do it once I actually get into the canvas. And once you do that, you're going to go to crop and then go to 8x10 because that's how big a piece of paper is, in case you didn't know. And then you're going to take each of the things that you downloaded online, and for the Kylie Jenner one you're going to put like whatever you chose for the Kylie Jenner, and you're going to put that all on one like not doc. I don't want to say doc because it sounds like Google Docs. I don't really like Google Docs. You're going to put that all on one little sheet of paper, and then once you have it all together, screenshot it, and then once it's on your desktop, go ahead and print it, and it's going to print 8x10. Make sure that you put fill to the edges or whatever, and that's what it's going to look like once it's done. So now we're going to start actually making it. So you're going to take your paper and put it right underneath the cover of your composition book, because that's honestly the easiest way to do it. And you're going to flip over your composition book so that the glitter is facing the top, so that basically you're not drawing on the back of it. And just trace it out so that you know where to cut and stuff, of course. And then I use this little cutter. I don't really think you really need to, but I did, and it was honestly kind of a waste of time because I could just use scissors. So just use scissors, guys. And basically you're just gonna cut out, I say basically so much, I'm so basic. You're just gonna cut out the lines, of course, where you traced it. Is this kindergarten? I think it is. Yeah. You're just gonna cut out the lines. So after I cut out all my pieces, by the way, I cut out all my pieces. I forgot to mention, you should probably do that. I just cut them out like really close to the picture because I didn't want a lot of white space. So I just cut them out as good as I could. And the glue that I found works best is Eileen's craft glue. Just find like a good craft glue, or just like super glue. If your dad has some super glue, just use that. Sorry. I didn't know the glitter paper was like so hardcore. But yeah, just use like some sort of runny glue instead of like tape, especially not tape, because it will not stick. Or hot glue, because hot glue, once it gets hard, it kind of like comes off. But you just want like kind of a wet glue that's gonna kind of get in all the cracks and stuff. And yeah, just lay it out how you want to see it and start gluing the pieces down. I kind of put a little bit of glue like on the spot that I'm going to put it to, so that it has something to like really stick onto. But yeah, just lay them out how you want, or you can lay them out just like me. I think I might try to put like some of the pictures on my Pinterest, like the actual like little collage that I made, so you guys can just print it out real quick. And yeah, you don't even have to do any work. I'll just do it for you. So for this next book, I did the KKW theme. I did Yeezy, of course, because Yeezy is so aesthetic, and I love KKW as well, so I figured it's perfect. Might as well put them together. And I used her little emoji and stuff, and yeah, I just think it's really cute, and it has that makeup side of it, but it also kind of has that like trendy aesthetic vibe, and that's what made me love it so much. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the same exact steps as last time, and you guys can just watch me do that, but you guys know what to do because you just saw it. So yeah, just follow along for the last one, for this one and the next one. And basically right now you guys are just gonna see the designs and kind of inspiration for each of the 3 notebooks. And yeah, here it is. So this last one is Anastasia themed, and I really like this one because it brings out more of the baddie type of look, because I love the way the roses and the little queen turned out. I actually made that myself. I just got some roses, like some transparent PNG roses, and I just got the Old English font on thefont.com, which I'll try to link below, but I'll probably forget, and you can ask me if you want to have it. And yeah, I just made it myself in PicMonkey and put in the word queen and put that over the rose. I actually used 1 rose, I totally forgot. And yeah, I just got the Anastasia logo, and I got a tweet off of Pinterest. It was so cute, and it said feelings like Drake, attitude like Kanye, something like that, but I did humble with a bit of Kanye. And yeah, I just got the little Tumblr girl that had like a little hat on, the Adidas hat, because you gotta have Adidas when you have Kanye in it. I just really like the way it turned out because it looks more like baddie and kind of more trendy than some of the other ones. If you don't really like makeup, then you can still do this one. Well, you can do all of them actually because they're all kind of trendy, but I just really like how this one turned out and kind of how the vibes of it look once it was done. Oh, and also, can we just talk about how cute my dog is? He would not even step on my little photo setup, like he didn't even try. It was so cute. Hello loves, I hope you guys loved the video. I loved making it, even though it was a bit of a hot minute of like panic, distress, just all that bad stuff, because I thought I wasn't going to be able to make videos for a long time because my Final Cut Pro was just like tripping, my external hard drive was tripping, my computer was just having a meltdown, like me. So let's hope that this next DIY video is even cuter than this one, even more Tumblr and inspiring. I'm going to be doing a binder DIY, like that cute little look, maybe a few other DIYs like school supplies related, and yeah, I hope you guys are excited to see the next video. If you want to see more, stay subscribed so that you guys can come back and check, and if you want to see it right when it comes out, hit that little notification bell down below. If you want to see some adorable pictures from these DIYs, then go on my Instagram. I'll be posting on my story, and I'll be posting on my actual Instagram some really cute Tumblr pictures, and I'll be posting so many summer pictures. I'm about to go to the fiestas in Santa Barbara, so it's going to be so aesthetic and so cute. And I'm going to be going to the Topanga Mall, which is amazing. Oh, if you don't know the Topanga Mall, if you live in California, you have to go. It's just like, it has Halo Top Creamery. That's all I have to say. Just gonna set that right there. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna have some pretty cool videos coming up, and if you want to see those, subscribe. Follow me on my Twitter, Instagram, WEHEARTIT, Pinterest. Follow me on my Pinterest. Not to brag, but Pinterest is so lit. Like, my Pinterest has so many pins. It's strong. It's a hefty Pinterest, so if you're ready for that, follow me. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. I love you, and I should stop ranting. Bye!